Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Alright guys, in this one what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to on your Galaxy Watch install an app. So swipe up and of course you can do this from the app on your phone as well, but I find it more convenient to do it on the watch. It's more direct and of course the apps will go straight to the watch. Alright, so go ahead and swipe up. You'll look right there, you'll see that icon. That's actually Google Play. So go ahead and tap. So you're going to select Google Play. Make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi. It will show you apps. So when you notice you have Google Wallet, it will show you a bunch of apps here, and Health to show you a bunch of apps. So you can see podcasts, you can see Shazam, you can see all kind of stuff. Audible, MyFitness, you name it. If you have a very specific app that you want, you can go ahead and search. So it gives you some options. So for example, if I wanted WhatsApp, I'm just showing you an example here. So it's very fine. So you'll have to navigate with precision. So forgive me. All right, so I'm gonna search. All right, so here you go. Like for example, WhatsApp right there, and it simply shows you. So if it was not installed, all I would have to do is to go ahead and hit install, and it will install. All right, so for example, show you a Pixel Watch here. Notice you can tap on it and hit install. Once you install, I'm not going to install this, I'm showing you, it will install on the device. When you're finished, simply go back and it will appear in your apps list right here. All right, so I don't really want to install anything. There I've installed WhatsApp from before and it appears here. So you simply tap and then you're good to go. All right, so it's very simple to install an app. Don't have any that I want to install right now. Just simply showing you how to find the apps and how to install them on your device. Is very, very easy. Make sure you have a decent data connection and it will install the apps without issues. And of course, see you in the next one, guys. Bye.